Welcome to you in 12th lecture of some basic concepts of chemistry. Topics in this lecture are mole fraction, normality, dilution and normality equations, and also numericals. First we go, what is the mole fraction? The first topic is the mole fraction. You know what is the mole fraction? फ्रैक्शन की मीनिंग होती है रेशियो. समझ में? जो वर्ड मीनिंग पहले आ जाए. फ्रैक्शन मीन्स रेशियो और मोल फ्रैक्शन रेशियो ऑफ मोल्स. वेरी इजी. क्लियर? अब किसका मोल फ्रैक्शन? कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. सॉल्यूशन हैज कंपोनेंट, सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट. क्लियर? तो किसी भी एक कंपोनेंट के मोल्स और पूरे सॉल्यूशन के मोल्स का जो फ्रैक्शन है, रेशियो है, उसे कहते हैं हम लोग मोल फ्रैक्शन. इट इज डिफाइंड एज रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ अ कंपोनेंट to total moles of solution is called mole fraction of that component. Clear? It's denoted by this is symbol taken and this symbol is called chi. Clear? Generally for solvent it is represented as XA. A stands for solvent. For solute B stands for solid. In the case of binary solution, if components more than 2, then you find for all chi 1, chi 2, chi 3 and so on. How you represent formula? The mole fraction of solvent, that is chi A is equal to number of moles of A upon total number of moles of solution. This and the mole fraction of solute chi B is equal to NB upon Na plus Nb, where what is Na? Number of moles of solvent, and Nb number of moles of solute, and Na plus Nb number of moles of solution in the case of binary solution. Clear? अब एक खास बात देखें, दोनों का सम करिए, जरा जोड़िए इनको. कितना आ रहा है? At right side of the both equations you got 1. That means sum of both is 1. That is sum of mole fraction of solute and solvents. That is all components. is unity 1. That is mole fraction of solute, mole fraction of solvent is equal to 1 in the case of binary solution. If components more than 2, for example, you take 1 glass water, you dissolve some quantity of sugar and you add little quantity of salt, NaCl, and also lemon juice, there becomes 4 components. In this case, they are represent chai 1, chai 2, chai 3, chai 4 and so on. Is equal to 1. उस समय सभी के हम लोग जितने भी मोल फ्रैक्शन लेंगे सबका सम एक होगा. Clear? And there chai 1 is equal to N1 upon small n. N1 means number of moles of component 1 upon total moles of solution. ठीक है. यदि एक से अधिक, दो से अधिक कंपोनेंट हो तब ये. Now we move one numerical. A solution mixture contains 7.5 moles of water, 5.0 moles, 1.5 ले लें, 1.5 moles of sugar and 0.5 mole NaCl and 0.5 mole lemon juice. Find mole fraction of each. Fraction of each. First you find total moles. Small. That is number of moles of water plus number of moles of sugar plus number of moles of NaCl plus number of moles of lemon juice. सबको ऐड करें कितना आ रहा है 7.5 plus 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. जरा ऐड करिए कितना आया भाई. What comes? इस साइड 10 आ रहा है 10.0. Now find mole fractions. ठीक है ना. Mole fractions of water, that is chai W. क्या होगा NW upon N. That is कितना आपका ये number of moles of water 7.5 upon 10. इसको डिवाइड कर लीजिए. Clear? It comes 0.75. There are no unit. It is a ratio of moles. For now come for sugar. That's moles of sugar upon total moles. That is 1.5 upon 10. It comes 0.15. Now for NaCl, that is and for NaCl and total moles, they are 0.5 upon 10.05. And for lemon juice, that is number of moles of lemon juice upon total moles. That's our answer. And check your answer by adding of all. सबको ऐड करके देखिए, यदि 1 आ रहा है then you are correct. If addition of all is not 1, then इसका मतलब you are wrong. And in the same way we go next question. See here, (92 gram) ethanol is added into 180 gram water. Find mole fraction of each. अब यहाँ moles are not given, they are given gram weight. So you first find number of moles. ठीक, you know number of moles, gram weight upon molar mass. So you first find molar mass. Molar mass of ethanol. What is formula? C2H5OH. Clear? For carbon you know 12, for hydrogen 1, for oxygen 16, for hydrogen 1 is 46. Molar mass of water. Clear? It comes 2 into 1 plus 16, 80. Now you find number of moles of ethanol and E. What will be gram weight upon molar mass? Gram weight is given 92 upon 46, it comes 2. Now number of moles of water, again gram weight upon molar mass, so 180 upon 18, 180 gram weight is given. This is clear. Upon 18, this is, it comes 10. Now find mole fraction of ethanol, that is chai. It will be number of moles of ethanol upon total moles, that is 2 upon 2 plus 10, that is 2 upon 12, 1 upon 6. Now mole fraction of water, that is chai W, hence formula will be in this way. Total moles of water are 10 upon 2 plus 10, that is 10 upon 12, it comes 5 upon 6. They are very easy. ये थे मोल फ्रैक्शन के न्यूमेरिकल्स, how you saw. देखा आपने, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है. Now you go on. Another topic, normality. हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था मोलैरिटी, मोलैरिटी एंड द सेम वे नॉर्मेलिटी। मैंने उनके आपको हिंदी नेम्स भी बताए थे। मोलैरिटी इज सेड टू बी सेड मोललता and molarity name is molarta, and you know normality means normalta, normalta in this way and represented by capital N. Clear? How you define it? हम लोगों ने मोलैरिटी में क्या पढ़ा था? मोलैरिटी, मोलैरिटी क्या था? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर लीटर वॉल्यूम। या नंबर ऑफ मोल्स की जगह है नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स। नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स ऑफ सोल्यूट in per liter solution is called normality and denoted by capital N. How you write its formula? Normality is equal to number of gram equivalents upon liter volume of solution. Equivalents किसके? Solute के. And you know, जैसे कि ग्राम मॉलिक्यूल यानी कि मोल्स क्या था आपका? ग्राम वेट अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, और ये ग्राम वेट अपॉन इक्विवेलेंट वेट। इक्विवेलेंट वेट you already studied in previous classes. So number of gram equivalents is equal to gram weight upon equivalent weight of solute upon liter volume of solution. Normally you can write in this way, gram per liter strength, क्योंकि लीटर को ऊपर ले जाएंगे तो ग्राम पर लीटर स्ट्रेंथ हो जाएगा। एंड इक्विवेलेंट वेट clear, shortly represented in this way, N is equal to S upon E. S means gram per liter strength, equivalent weight means E. Clear? Like their molality and molarity, it is also, if given normal solution, then there you can represent in this way N solution. The normality will be N is equal to 1. If given but semi-normal solution, that is N by 2 solution is given, then normality is 1 by 2.5. If given desi normal solution, that means N upon 10 solution, normality is 1 upon 10. In the same way, there centi normal solution, then N by 100 solution. And given milli normal solution, the normality is 1 upon 1000. Clear? ये solution उनके representations हैं और ये normality. यहाँ हम लोगों को मोलर मास निकालना तो आता है, but you how find out equivalent weight? उनके लिए कुछ फॉर्मूले हम लोग पढ़ लेते हैं। इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ आयन, ये होता है इसका फॉर्मूला वेट अपॉन वैलेंसी। जैसे कि फॉर कार्बोनेट आयन what will be equivalent weight? You find formula weight for carbon, you know 12, for oxygen 16 and valence is 2. ये माइनस प्लस कुछ भी उससे मतलब नहीं है, you take only numerical value. It comes 60 upon 2, that is 30. It is the equivalent weight of carbonate ion. In the same way, for acid, equivalent weight of acid, ये क्या होगा? फॉर्मूला वेट अपॉन बेसिसिटी ऑफ एसिड और नंबर ऑफ डिस्प्लेस्ड हाइड्रोजन आयंस। यानी किसी भी एसिड से जितने स्पेस डिस्प्लेस हो सकते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स बेसिसिटी। फॉर एग्जांपल, फॉर H2SO4, you know H2SO4 gives only 2 hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. Their displaced hydrogen ions only 2, so its basicity is 2. Now what will be equivalent weight? You find formula weight. There are 2 hydrogen atoms. For sulfur 32, for oxygen 16 upon 2. Their molar mass comes 98 upon 2. They are 49. That is equivalent. In the same way, equivalent weight of base, base के लिए बहुत सिंपल फॉर्मूला है. There are also formula weight upon acidity or number of displaced hydrogen hydroxyl ions. For example, you take NaOH, it gives only 1 hydroxyl ion. So its acidity is 1. It gives only 1 hydroxyl ion. So acidity is 1. Now what will be equivalent weight? For sodium 23, for oxygen 16, for hydrogen 1 and divide by 1. It comes 40. जैसे कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड वह 2H मिल सकते हैं, CH होल ट्वाइस, वो एसिडिटी हम लोग 2 ले लेंगे 2. In the same way, they are equivalent weight of salt. You know salt has cations and anions, so they are formula weight of total valency of cations और anions. कोई एक चीज लेंगे आप. Clear? For example, for sodium carbonate, there you know sodium carbonate gives 2 sodium ions and 1 carbonate ion. तो ये आपके कैटायंस हैं. 1 सोडियम हैज +1 चार्ज So 2 sodium has 2 plus charge. So total positive valence is 2 and total negative. कोई एक आपको लेकर चलिए for cations या anions. What will be equivalent weight? Formula weight पहले लिखेंगे आप. For sodium 23, for carbon 16, clear? Sorry, 12, and for oxygen 16, and divide by 2, क्योंकि वैलेंसी 2 चल रही है कैटायन से आयंस. It comes 106 upon 2, that is 53. It's very easy. There are question 8.0 gram NaOH is dissolved in 500 ml solution. Find normality. Clear? First you find their equivalent weight. They are 23 plus 6 plus 1. It gives 1 OH. It is 40. Now, normality. What will be their gram weight upon equivalent weight upon a liter volume. This is taken for solute. This is taken for solution. For solute, you know gram weight 8.0, equivalent weight 40. Or volume is given 500 milliliter. You convert in liter by dividing 1000. It comes 8 upon 40, 1000 upon 500. क्लियर? ये इसका आंसर जो लिखेंगे नॉर्मल लिखेंगे या कैपिटल एन में लिखेंगे. फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. ये तो आप स्वयं करेंगे अपने. Now we go. There one word, dilution equation. जब कोई सॉल्यूशन डाइल्यूट किया जाता है, जैसे आपने एक 1 ग्लास वाटर लिया and you add 50 moles of sugar and dissolve it. Clear? अब उसी में हम लोग 1 ग्लास वाटर और ऐड कर दें तो पहले से क्या हुआ? कम मीठा हो गया, डाइल्यूट हो गया. क्लियर? इन दिस केस शुगर क्वांटिटी आपने चेंज नहीं की है. ठीक, तो उसी के तहत लिखते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर डाइल्यूशन इक्वेशन. दैट इज कॉल्ड m1 into v1 is equal to m2 into v2. m1 is the molarity before dilution, volume before dilution, molarity after dilution, पानी मिलाने के बाद. v2 volume after dilution. So that is the before dilution. And this is the after dilution. Clear? M is molarity, V means volume. In the same way we go. Normality equation. When an acid is neutralized by base, then on complete neutralization, यानी जब टोटली न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाए तो उस समय इक्वेशन ये फॉलो होती है. कॉल्ड नॉर्मेलिटी इक्वेशन, यानी कि टोटल इक्विवेलेंस ऑफ एसिड, टोटल इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ बेस. इट इज द नॉर्मलिटी ऑफ एसिड, वॉल्यूम ऑफ एसिड, A स्टैंड फॉर एसिड, नॉर्मलिटी ऑफ बेस एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ बेस. और लास्ट में है आपका रिलेशन बिटवीन नॉर्मेलिटी एंड मोलैरिटी, और ये आपका होता है n अपॉन m इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल n. ठीक, या हम इसको लिख सकते हैं यहां पर मोलर मास अपॉन इक्विवेलेंट मास इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल n. क्लियर? इसको आप समझें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इंतजार करें वीडियोस नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के लिए. ओके.